Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu Channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today lesson the NANDAO. Let's go.
I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright.
左扫刀，右扫刀，前推刀。Let's do this step by step. Step your left, you cut to the left, and your left hand on top. You step the right feet now, your sword cut to the right. Now you step left, and you cut to front, become 跪步, your knee down.
I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright.
架刀 tutorial. Stand up from 跪步. You step your right, your sword on top your left shoulder, and become horse stance.
I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright.
From horse stance 架刀，下劈刀 cut down all the way to top of your head and then cut down to the left side. And come back to under your left arm and flat cut. Same time you jump, switch your feet. 丁字步，下劈刀。And then you stand up, 推掌。Knee lift, step your left and right, 将平 inside kick, landing by 跪步，扎刀。